Did you know that October is Menopause Awareness Month? Unfortunately, too many women are told to just live with their symptoms like fatigue, brain fog, hot flashes, mood changes, weight gain, low libido. And unfortunately, many gynecologists out there perpetuate this nonsense. Uh, you don't have to live with these symptoms. There are safe and effective options. Hormone replacement therapy done properly can improve mood, improve libido, eliminate hot flashes, support muscle mass and bone density, decrease risk of osteoporosis, and even Alzheimer's disease. So, if you are struggling with menopausal symptoms, uh, why? You deserve to be living your best life and feel like your best self. So, I'm Dr. Greg, and send this to somebody who needs to hear it.